So JC has a new water fountain. Not sure, not sure what she's gonna do later, but she's looking at it because it's making that sound. She's wondering what the heck that is. So I'm sure when she gets thirsty enough, she'll go over and try it out. But right now, she's like, I'm thinking I'm gonna stay away from that for a little bit. It might get me.